Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the hood strut or hood support on your Jeep Grand Cherokee WK. Mine's a diesel, but it should be the same for all engine types. So here's the strut right here, and I got a replacement from Les Yofers, so I believe is the right pronunciation. And also just make sure you have your hood propped up with a piece of wood or something first, because when you remove the strut, it will fall. Okay, here's the new one. I'm just curious to see where this one is made. So I believe this is a Swedish company. It says high pressure, do not heat, do not open. Not where it's made. There's the part numbers for you. So one thing you're gonna see is this little indent. There's some little balls on here, and I'll show you that. And then there's this little clip on the side here that you're gonna want to grab a screwdriver and pull up, and that's how you get them off. So I'm actually gonna use this little pick tool, and you just pull up in here and pull that band up. It doesn't need to come all the way off, we'll see. Okay, just gonna show you right here. See, I just have the tab up here. Same thing on the bottom one. And now, again, just make sure your hood's propped up. It should come right off. It's off. The new one will just press right on. They're pretty hard to compress, so sometimes it's easier just to prop the hood up. I push the hood up a little bit to get it to fit on. Move the hood up a bit, press it on, and there you go. Hood is up. There you go. You can see the hood is freestanding now. It works. Should open by itself. Perfect. Awesome. Hopefully that helps you when you attempt this job. As always, thanks for watching.